9 nights of devotion, dance, and divine energy, celebrating the goddess who guides us from darkness to light. Namaskaram. I welcome you all to the day 2 of Nalati's Navratri Sadhana 3.0 titled Ammavaru, the divine embodiment of the Universal Mother who nurtures, protects, and guides us through every step of life. Today, Amaya Arts Academy is honored to present this timeless and soulful Kruti by Sri Subbaraya Shastri, son and disciple of Sri Shyama Shastri. He was also trained under Sri Tyagaraja and Sri Muthuswami Dikshit. This Kruti is in praise of Goddess Kamakshi, where the composer marvels at her glory, acknowledging that even the gods and sages cannot fully describe her glory, and humbly seeking her boundless grace. Our talented and beautiful Devis who bring this composition to life with devotion and grace are Kumari Sahasra Tiruvidula from Telangana, Kumari Nishka Vanal from Auckland, Kumari Delisha Soni from Madhya Pradesh from the intermediate level batch, Tirumadi Nirupama Balu from Auckland, Tirumadi Sasireka Palanisamy from Singapore, Kumari Divya Shankari from Tamil Nadu, Kumari Prisha Gupta from Maharashtra from the beginners level batch. As the founder and artistic director of Amaya Arts Academy, it's my privilege to share this offering. I am Deepika Rani, disciple of Dr. Supriya Ravikumar, a member of Nalati from Bangalore. Manine, Ragam Mukhari, Talam.
Manine, ni mahimate luputonam. Manine, ni mahimate luputonam. Manine, ni mahimate luputonam. Manine, ni mahimate luputonam. Manine, Amba samaj gamini, amba samaj gamini, amba samaj gamini. Amba samaj gamini, sarasalochani. Amba samaj gamini, sarasalochani. Ri ga sari sani da baraka. Sari ga sa ni da pa da sa di ri, ri ga sari sa ni da pa da sa sa, sari ga sa ni da pa ma pa da sari ma pa da sa ni da pa ma pa da sari ga sa ni da pa ma ga ga re sa ye ma ni ne. ನೀದು ಚರಣ ಮಹಿಮದಲು ಸಾಂಬ ಚರಣ ಮಹಿಮ ತೆಲುಗು ನಮ್ಮ ದೇವಿ ಚರಣ ಮಹಿಮ ತೆಲುಗು ಅಮ್ಮ ನರುಡನು ನೇನು ಪಾಮರುಡನು ದೇವಿ ನರುಡನು ನೇನು ಪಾಮರುಡನು ದೇವಿ ನರುಡನು ನೇನು ಪಾಮರುಡನು ದೇವಿ ಕಾಂಚೀಪುರಾಲಯವಾಸಿನಿ ಶ್ರೀಪರದೇವತೆ ನೀದು ಕುಮಾರುಡನೋಮ ಕಾಂಚೀಪುರಾಲಯವಾಸಿನಿ ಶ್ರೀಪರದೇವತೆ ನೀದು ಕುಮಾರುಡನೋಮರ ಕೇಂದು ವದನ ವಿನುಮಿಕನಿ ಸರಿಗ ದೈವ ಮುಗಾನು ಸದಾ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮನ ಸದಾ ಸರಿದಲಿ ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ ನತ ಜನಾರ್ತಿ ಹರಣಿ ನೀವೆಗ ತಲ್ಲಿಯೇ ನಿನ್ನೆ